Hi and welcome everyone. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to tell you about the smart trader. This is another video about the smart trader, how smartly we can make daily basis 1 to 5%. Remember all my teachings and all my strategies just for those they really want to achieve 1 to 5% daily. If you want to achieve big with the say 100% gain or 50% gain daily, then simply stop the video and go. This is not for you. And if you want to go the real way, reliable way, and want to make daily basis 1 to 5%, which is good in the risk tolerance, let's get started with the trading strategy. What is this? First of all, you have to go to the smart trader, which is official on Deriv website. Here you guys can see. When you scroll from the Deriv trader, Deriv bot, at the last you will find out this smart trader. Click on it and it will bring you to this trading panel. When you come back to this, what's the strategy and how to do this? Just simple. Follow my instructions and try to understand it. The main focus will be on this last digit. Here you guys can see this. Actually, it's much important, this part. Each time the last number you see like 1, 2, 3, 4, that's all. No more than 4. If the last number is repeating 4, 3, 2, 1, it means you are free to go with digit difference. Let's get started. First of all, find out the most good pair to trade. B50 index, trading with match and differs. Duration will be simply 1 tick. Stake, you choose any stake. I will go with $10. Okay, what to do and when to purchase. The main focus. Each time you see a last number 1, go for purchase. Each time you won, last digit prediction, change it. Okay, random, choose any. So let's get started to the trading. So I will go for digit differ, which will pay me $1. Yes, it's a bit nonsense, but I'm here to teach you, so I will teach you. Look here, the 1 is appear, then we will go for, look here, the digit differs, 1 is appeared, and we went for trade. Okay, we won the contract. Let's get back. Now what to do? Simply last digit prediction, change it to any you like, random, choose random. Just when to take the trade, simple, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look here, you have to be fast, move fast. Look here, a digit is appeared, 4 at last, and we took the trade. It's 1. Now again, go and change the digit, random, choose any you like, random. When the lower number appear in the last, go for, look here, 3 is appeared, go for trade. Again 1, $3 we made. Again, just change the digit, choose any random you can, and go for trade. When the last digit, look here, last digit is lower, go for trade, and try to make only 1 to 5%, no more than this. Hope you guys understood. If you still have any question and how much you made using this strategy or you liked it, tell me in the comments. If you guys need further details or any instructions, type in the comments. I will guide you further. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, you guys will make it. Bye bye.